welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to make an awesomeness. We are going to make cinnamon rolls or cinnamon buns. I am in Sweden and the home of cinnamon buns is Sweden. We love it with coffee or tea, and this is what we're gonna make. So let's get started. For the dough you need the following things. You need 5.7 deciliter of almond flour, half a deciliter of coconut flour, 2 eggs, vanilla, baking soda, a sweetener. I will use stevia. It's not my favorite, but that's what I have. And coconut oil, half a deciliter. Alright, so start with the dry ingredients. Just pour everything in one big bowl. Almond flour, coconut flour, baking soda, and then you can mix this together. A nice mixture. Alright, now put this on the side and you mix the wet ingredients together. You put your 2 eggs into the smaller bowl like this. Actually, you need a fork. And then you make it like you would make an omelette. Very good. You can add your sugar into this, like sugar substitute, in my case stevia, and you can just keep mixing until it becomes one mixture. Like this, you see? Perfect. And then you add your coconut oil. I mean, mine is got a little bit already formed, so I will pop this into the microwave for a few seconds. So now it's good. I put it in for a few seconds and now it's again very liquidy. This is what you need. Then you pour it into here. Keep mixing it together. Very good. And then you take your spoon and you add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then you mix this together. Awesome, you have a nice mixture. Everything is together. And then you pour this into the dry ingredients like that. And then you just mix them together. Just mix it until it becomes one nice dough. And if you would like to see more of these videos, quick, easy, yummy keto recipes for day-to-day life, then subscribe to us. We do new videos every day, every week. It's desserts, normal food, snacks. Alright, so this is a done dough. This is how it looks. And now you need to get a tray with a baking paper. Alright, so now you take a baking paper and you just put it on your cutting board. You take the dough and you can form it a bit more together with your own hands, like this. Perfect. And when it's like really formed together, you just form a rectangle out of the dough like this. And then you put another baking sheet on top, like this. And then you're gonna make a flat rectangle out of it. Just try to make equal thickness on each side. Okay, I think this is very good. This is how it looks. And now we are going to make the filling. Alright, so for the filling, you need 3 tablespoons of your choice of sweetener, in my case stevia. I took 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, but you can take as much cinnamon as you like, it's absolutely up to you. And pecans, and you need to crush the pecans. What I did, I took a baking sheet, I put the pecans in it, and then you just use anything in your kitchen. You can use this one and just crush them like this, and it's super simple. Alright, but now we're gonna mix everything together. So you take your pecans into a bowl like this, your sweetener and cinnamons, and you mix it together. So if you like cinnamon a lot, use a lot of cinnamon. So this is the mixture. Then you mix this together like this, and I totally forgot to tell you about the coconut oil, that you need half a deciliter of coconut oil, melted coconut oil. Alright, now I have the melted half a deciliter of coconut oil, and you just add this to your filling mixture. And then you mix it together, of course. Okay, so this is how it looks. And then you just put this on your dough and try to get it everywhere with a spoon or with your hands. You don't have to be super fancy like this. You can get them everywhere. If you like more filling, then you can just double the recipe of the filling. It's totally fine. And try to get it everywhere on your dough. So this is done. And now you will roll it up super quickly. But be careful because it could break, but just use your baking sheet to help you. Like this. Just roll it. And it could happen that it breaks somewhere, but it's fine. You can like just help it with your hands and stick them together. Alright. So this is how it looks, and yeah, I don't think it's any problem if it breaks a little bit, just fix it with your hand. And then now you're gonna cut up 9 of the cinnamon rolls. And now we just cut 9 cute rolls like this. Yeah, perfect. And now we put that on the tray and put it into the oven for like 20 minutes on 200 degrees. And if yours is not really like cinnamon roll forms, just press them together a little bit, give them a good shape like this. It's just your own creation, just make sure it's your little cinnamon buns. But look how cute they are. These ones are looking real cinnamon buns. These bigger ones, they are really cute. And I have an extra small on the end. That is like a little extra. Alright, this is how it looks. And now you just pop it into the oven. And make sure your oven is preheated 200 degrees and 20 minutes. Until our cinnamon buns are getting ready, we are going to make the frosting. You need 4 tablespoons of cream cheese. Be generous, it's like big tablespoon of cream cheese. Vanilla, butter, melted butter, sweetener of your choice. I took 4 tablespoons of stevia and 1 tablespoon of milk. Alright, now you just pour everything into the bowl and mix it together. Stevia, melted butter, milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. You can use a bit more if you like the taste. And then you can mix this together. And also you need to melt a little bit the cream cheese, like put it into the microwave for like 30 seconds. It's not hard, it's like this soft texture. And then you mix this. It's easier with a hand mixer, so if you have a hand mixer, you can totally use your hand mixer. And you can taste how sweet it is. It's really good. My favorite part is the frosting. And look, this nice creamy. This is what you need to get. This is the texture. So now let's check the buns. Alright, now let's check the buns. Alright, they are done. I think maybe I even overdone them a little bit, because the oven was on for me for like hours because I was cooking and it was just hotter. So I took them out now 5 minutes earlier. So I think the right time is more like 15 to 20 minutes, depends on how your oven is. So just check it. But this is the buns. Isn't they nice and cute? Look. They are beautiful little buns. Alright, so the buns are out for a while now. I think you can wait like 20 minutes to let them cool a little bit. They are here on the plate and now we're just gonna put on the frosting. And because it's a slightly still warm, it will nicely melt on. It will be so delicious. And don't forget that this is for 9 buns, or it was to be 9 buns a month. And now I have 9 buns. Perfect. I thought I made 10. I love frosting, but you can totally use a bit less on it. Alright, so now we have frosting on all of them. I'm trying to scrap out the last little frost from here. Alright. And I really love cinnamon, so I'm going to sprinkle a little bit cinnamon on top. If you want, you can sprinkle a little bit of crushed pecans on it. I'm not gonna do that now, but you can totally do that. And basically this is the done keto cinnamon rolls. Okay, so I think that's it. I hope you loved my cinnamon buns. They are super delicious. You will not regret to make them. The recipe is super easy. I am not like a chef or a top baker. It's like actually my weakest point to bake. But this is awesome. It's very good, very tasty, very low carb, so you can eat them. And I think you eat one and you are like just full. So if you would like to see more of these videos from us, then hit the subscribe button. If you like the recipe, give me a like button. And if you made it, please comment how did it go, how was it, and see you in my next video. And thank you for watching.